What's up, besties? It's your girl E.Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If this is your very first time, stop what you're doing, click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And make sure you hit the like button too, because why not? So today's plan with me is going to be using this printable kit that I got from Print Petticoat Bandit. And yes, I know that it says spring. I see it. You see it. Okay, this new camera is like, okay, focus. Okay, so yeah, this kit is really super cute. I just thought the colors were adorable, and since I had it printed up, I wanted to go ahead and, you know, get some use out of the stuff that I get so I can stop hoarding. So now I'm going to be using some Simply Gilded washi as well. This is from my newest addiction, or no, the Planner Sophisticate from the Simply Gilded launch that came out this last time, and I just thought it would match really well with everything that I was doing with this kit. And then I'm also going to be using some, just some little deco stickers from my shop and some other shops around the Etsy world. So if you guys are interested in seeing what we're going to be putting together, then all you have to do is just stay tuned. Okay, so yes, I did get that cover from off of one of the student planners. I love it, so I was going to be using it. So first thing I'm going to do is start off by putting down the date dots, and this is a little bit of a longer process, but using the tweezers makes it a lot easier and a lot simpler. So I'm just putting down the date dots first onto the date covers, and then I'm taking them off and I'll put them on there. I find that way to be a lot easier. I decided I was going to line up the date covers with the lines instead of being underneath them to kind of cover it up and give myself more space. I still forgot I wanted to do stagger step, but maybe I'll work on that for next time. I'll have to make myself a note or something because I really want to try that. Okay, so now I'm just getting myself together, and y'all, I'm not even gonna play. Like, this whole process of using this washi was just off the chain. First of all, I don't know how the normal ones come, but this ripped off from left to right, but the way the bows were on there, like, I don't know, it was just awkward for the way that I was trying to cut it, and so I ended up having to do a whole lot of extra stuff trying to get this washi down, but it was just too cute to not do it. Like, look at the struggle. The struggle was so real. Like, how real was it? Look, just look. I was gonna take this out, but I was like, y'all need to see this. So this is a little bit, I know that all of this washi should be the same, but I don't know, this is my first time with Simply Gilded washi that just didn't want to do right. But anyway, so I wanted to add it to the top and the bottom of the page. I just thought it'd be really cute. Again, the colors matched very well. So see, I'll put it, you see how it's going? Okay, look. So yeah, it just, I moved on from there. So I wanted to cover up that quote, that little saying down at the bottom, even though I really didn't have to, but I wanted to use the full boxes, so I put the girl one down there, and I put the little sunflower, I think that's a sunflower, a dandelion? Y'all tell me what that flower is up there at the top. Y'all know I'm not good at that. And I just stuck some more of the full boxes down, trying to use as many as I could. I whited out the notes part because I just thought I could see through it with the trackers that I was putting on there, and I really just didn't want to see through that. And then I added a strip of washi and then the reminder little sticker label, and put that down there at the bottom as well. So now I'm just adding just a little bit of the deco stickers where I think they can go. That was a little bit difficult for this time because I had put everything, I don't know, it's kind of big deco, and I didn't want to use the Easter eggs either. Like, that was just doing a lot. So now I'm adding the list, and these are in the bows as well. So as I started, I was like, okay, I'm just going to do every other day, and I'll put those down because I hardly ever use those because I just like to write myself. And I don't know, I don't think I'll be doing this again next time because it just, like, you'll see, like, I put them in there, I cut them down, and then by the end of the spread I ended up having to pull some of those up because I didn't need all of them, or they were just in the way for stuff. And I think I just like listing, doing my little arrows that kind of circle or whatever. I think I just like doing those on my own. So yeah. I am noticing some differences in my camera. Like it was daytime when I was recording this. Oh, I guess it was kind of daytime, like late afternoon, and I can see the changes in the lighting. So I'm working that out. So if you see it get lighter and darker in some areas, I'm still working on the settings with this camera. See, look how bright that is, and then it goes back down. So yeah, we're going to be using the big intensity pens. I tried using this purple one, and yeah, you couldn't see it as well as I thought you could. So I was like, that's just pointless if I'm going to be putting this as a video, because you can't even see what I wrote. So I went ahead and just got out the black one and decided to go with the black and just wrote over that. So I wanted to go to Target. I needed to make an appointment for my hair to get braided, because I want it braided before I go see Beyonce. Okay. I wanted to go to Old Navy and get some jeans, and then I needed to post a choir outing. And then this is where you see me cutting off like some of that other stuff, because I just didn't really need it. Like, it was just unnecessary. Like, I don't know. But so I'm just looking through my stickers, and I found these utensils from Casually Crafted. I really love her shop. Make sure you check her out. And I just decided to use those to mark all of my meals that I had going on. And then that little emoji over there is for Amazon Prime Day, because that's what it was. And oh my gosh, like, yeah, like, I did a little bit of shopping, just a little bit, not a whole lot. And then I wanted to make sure I marked that I needed to rest, and that's an emoji. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a resting emoji that I put down. Tuesday, I needed to print and cut some orders, and then I'm just going through and trying to find my film stickers, and I decided to like put those where the bows were. I don't know, I kind of like that, but then it still wasn't enough space for all of them to go on there, so there was that. So those are just the videos I wanted to get recorded. And then I turned the camera off because I'm not really sure why I did that. I was like, oh, well, maybe I don't need this part, I'll just do this. And then I was like, girl, you need to put that on there. So that's why it skips from Tuesday to Wednesday, and he didn't see any of the stuff I put down for Tuesday, but neither here nor there. So on Wednesday, I just needed to upload a video. I needed to print and cut some orders, and then I needed to print a kit that I am doing with Tina for a collab, and we had Bible study. I had some Happy Meal come in, which was my camera. I'm so excited about my camera. Like, I'm too geeked. It's just the fact of learning how to work it. And then I did cook pepper steak and rice when I got home from church, and everyone was in love with it. It was really, really good. And on Thursday, I had to go back to Target. Like, I was making a lot of Target runs. This time was actually for work. Someone needed something, and I was like, well, I'm gonna go to Target then. Basically just an excuse to go to Target. I need to go to the post office, and I needed to make some sheets for Shay. I wanted to send her some stickers. That's Shay Budgets, and you guys are going to see that coming up soon. We are having a collab, and then we're also doing a giveaway, and that giveaway is going to be the bomb. Like, you're not going to want to miss it, so make sure you stay tuned, okay, because I don't want you guys to miss that giveaway. Alright, so I don't know why I thought that the other page was going to be on the back of that one, so yeah, there's that. So I am just sticking down, I stuck down an Amazon sticker over there on the side, and then I forgot about this Simply Gilded bow that I wanted to use because my Simply Gilded order came in on Thursday, and I was like, girl, you need to use that. So I ordered a remote for my camera. Like, pretty much everything I ordered this week had something to do with the camera. It was a tripod, I ordered a remote, a lens cover because it didn't come with one, and something else I ordered. I feel like, oh, well, I can't remember. But anyway, so Friday was just, it was Austin's last day at camp. Sorry, it's a little cut off right there. I do apologize for that. It's hard writing, you know, towards the side, but whatevs. I did a blog post that night. I knew I need to go to the post office, and I just had like a bunch of stuff that I need to do on Friday. On Saturday, I want to wash my hair. I need to wash and condition it. It is Saturday right now when I'm filming it, so as of right now, I have not completed that task of washing my hair. It is like, you have to be prepared for that, like, for real. Like, if y'all natural, y'all know how that goes. Like you have to be in the mindset for that, and if you're not in the mindset, you just might as well give it up. So yeah, I had a bunch of things, mostly things that I wanted to do for YouTube on Saturday, and for my shop I wanted to get some clip art that I saw. I wanted to make sure I got it and downloaded it here, so I would just go ahead and work on it. And then I wanted to clean up the bathroom and do some laundry as well. I marked on Sunday that it was Youth Day, and you'll see me go back and actually change that because I wanted to mark that it was National Auntie Day, okay? Because I forgot that Sunday was National Auntie Day. I wish I had an auntie sticker, but if y'all know me, they call me Auntie OG because I actually have I'm a great auntie as well. Yeah, I'm only 30 and I'm a great auntie. So let you know how our family is rocking, okay? And then I just wrote down everything that I needed to do. Remind myself that Austin was going out of town. My Instagram and my water are in the trackers. Alright you guys, so here's the completed spread. I absolutely love how this spread turned out. I just think it's so cute. I am loving the horizontal way of planning. I probably could have did a little bit more in the vertical, but I just feel like it just fits really, really good and it looks nice. I use those lists, but I don't think I'll be using them again. Like I said before, it's just too crowded for me. I don't really like that. And then, like I said, I went back and added some things in there because I wanted to change it and make sure it said the right stuff, like National Auntie Day. Okay, you feel me? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and as always, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will catch you in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!